Hey guys, today we'll be reacting to someone reacting to R.R International. If you don't know what R.R International is, it is a film company that was founded in 1994 in India. It only had one logo. Today we'll be reacting to someone getting scared by it. Alright, I'll just turn up the volume a little bit since you can't really hear it. Alright. Who is Stephanie Fox? Bro, like, it feels like everybody else is a bot, but Argos is like a, kid or whatever. Everyone else is a bot because of their voice. I think. I don't know if Radio Shack. I don't know if Radio Shack is like, oh god. Jesus Christ! At first glance, it looks very scary. But as I mean, it scared me the first time due to his eyeballs. And after that, I calmed down for a little bit. Alright. Alright, this is the R.R International logo, not the 3G home video logo. And I'm not gonna lie, I rather look at the 3G home video than this thing. I don't know what it's called, but it kind of looks like, I don't know what it looks like. Looks like something from my nightmares. If I would. Alright. Sorry if I give you nightmares, but just to let you know, if you don't like this statue, I should have said at the beginning, just turn your away, okay? You calm down now? Alright. Yay!
Oh, thank God it's gone. That really scared me.
And it also kind of scared me the first time, too. But as you get used, moral, not all things are meant to be family friendly. But once you get used to them, you're not afraid anymore. Also, special thanks to Casey Fan from 9,703 VC second for uploading this video.